Hello, in this video, I'll be showing how to fix the MS Gaming Overlay pop-up message on Windows 11. You may have seen an error message that looks like this. So here's a way to fix it. First, click on the Windows icon. Type in regedit. Then open the registry editor. After you do that, you would want to expand on each key current user. Next, you have to expand on software. After you do that, you have to expand on Microsoft. After you expand on Microsoft, you have to expand on Windows. There it is. After you expand on Windows, go on current version. After you expand on current version, you have to reach to Game DVR. Just select it or click on it. There you see an app capture enabled. All you have to do is double click it. Then you have to change the value data from 1 to 0. Press OK, and that's it, you're done. That's how you fix the MS Gaming Overlay pop-up message on Windows 11.